So now I am in a jungle with my daddy. We're here to collect some bamboo shoots. Yeah, follow me there. Lilo. My daddy down there. So we are collecting bamboo shoot for tonight dinner. So this is country life, the fun of living in a country life. My daddy is plucking. Okay. My handsome daddy. Ba tay mà bỏ nổ chưa? Tụi mình kỳ thiêu nổ. Khen là hàng băng kiếm kì. Khen là băng hàng kiếm kì. It's my duty to collect these bamboo shoots and then we'll go to the highway. Then we'll be cleaning up all those cover. Yeah, it's interesting. After so many years, maybe after around 10 years, I'm back to collect bamboo shoots. This is fun, man. The road is very slippery. Yeah. 갑시다. 하나 보죠, 근데. 내가 내가 이렇게. 요. 항소. My daddy is coming. He's coming back with all those delicious bamboo shoots. This is for tonight dinner. It's very slippery since it was raining last night. We are just in the jungle, just 20 minutes walk from my home. Fresh organic bamboo shoots. Yeah. Nào khăn cho. Tao khen tiêu vậy. I got bitten by an ant. 2 em chẳng biết kêu đâu. So heading back. बहुत slippery है. I got bitten by an ant. Very painful. Oof. It's paining. Oh, here's a bamboo shoot. Now we'll be removing all those cover before we take home. So this is how you peel off the cover of bamboo shoots. You can see that caterpillar on my daddy hand. That's for hunting birds. Oh, that's mistaken. Okay, now we're in bamboo shoots. So my daddy is smart, experienced in removing all those, peeling off the cover, the unwanted ones. Still looking young and handsome. He's just 46 years old. Din tayo lang to. Finally, we're done with the bamboo shoots and we're heading back home. You can see my daddy down there. You can see Pa, my daddy. We're going back home. So we have collected some bamboo shoots for tonight dinner. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye. Take care.